To export your Chrome bookmarks to a file, open the Bookmark Manager. Type chrome://bookmarks into the address bar or use the built-in shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O on Windows and Linux, Command-Option-B on Mac. In the Bookmark Manager, look at the top right corner of the page. Click the three-dot menu next to the search box, then choose Export Bookmarks. Chrome opens a normal Save As window, the same one you'd see saving any file. Pick a folder, a USB drive, a cloud folder, anywhere you want the backup to actually live, and click Save. Chrome names the file Bookmarks, followed by today's date, saved as an HTML file. That single file holds everything: your bookmarks bar, every folder nested inside it, and the other bookmarks folder too. There's no option here to export just one folder or one bookmark. It's the whole set or nothing. If you only want a handful of links, you're better off copying them by hand. One thing it does not include is your reading list. That's a separate feature from Bookmarks, and it only travels with you through your signed-in Google account, not through this file. That file is also worth opening directly. Double-click it or drag it into any browser tab, and it loads as a plain page of clickable links laid out in the same folders you had, no importing required. This is the export that actually matters when you're leaving Chrome's own sink behind. Moving to a computer that isn't signed in yet, switching to a different browser, or just wanting a copy that doesn't depend on any account. Open the same file back up through the import screen in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and every bookmark with the exact folder structure comes back the way you saved it. Keep a copy of it somewhere outside this computer, and losing Chrome or switching machines entirely doesn't cost you a single saved link. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe, because this is Chrome explained properly.